Today I'm making brownies with cookies and cream icing. First I'm going to make the brownies. I have this brownie mix right here. I'm going to add that to my bowl. I'm just following the directions on the back of the box and I'm adding water, oil, and eggs, and then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Next, I greased an 8x8 pan. I'm going to add the brownie batter to the pan and then I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make the icing. So in my bowl, I have 1 stick of salted butter, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's smooth. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. Then I'm going to mix that up again until it's smooth. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 cup of crushed Oreos and I'm going to fold that in. Now that the brownies are cooled, I'm going to ice the brownies. Lastly, I'm going to add some more crushed Oreos to the top. After that, I cut the brownies into pieces and this is what the brownie looks like.